Hello friends and potential friends. Well, you may recall seeing some of my feeble attempts at propagating plums and mulberries while I was out at my mom's last summer. Didn't seem to work out so well, but I'm starting to learn that I can't really give up. This big thing here was a volunteer that popped up in one of my mom's green stalks. And the leaves on it looked an awful lot like mulberry leaves, so I decided to bring it home with me. Made the trip just fine, and it's been sitting out here ever since. But what really struck my attention was the cuttings that I brought back. Now these cuttings have been in this water for several months. They were out at Mom's for a few months, and then I brought them back, and they've been back here for about a month. And just the other day I noticed on this one that I got a bunch of green coming on there. Not only that, if you look real close at those things, some of them almost look like the beginnings of a mulberry berry. So I guess maybe I've learned a little bit from the asparagus that I just can't give up on these things. I'll call it patience, but the reality is I brought them home and put them back here and just forgot about them. And now it looks like I might be getting some growth on those cuttings. Not only that, there's a little bit of green on that one plum cutting over there. So I guess the next step is to see if I can get them in soil and keep them alive. But hey, this stuff just wants to grow. Give it half a chance and it'll grow. Now, this is just a quick shot at these because I just noticed this yesterday. And I figured I'd share it with you. So I'll see you next time.